So let's read this question. So the question says that which of the following statements is or are correct if intermolecular forces in liquids A, B and C are in the order. So this is the order of intermolecular forces. This is the order of intermolecular forces of liquid A, B and C, and we have to find out the correct statement among these four given statements. So from among these four statements, we have to find out the correct one. So the order of intermolecular forces is given. Order of intermolecular forces, that is A, then B, then C. So we know that more intermolecular forces more intermolecular force, less vapor pressure. If the intermolecular force between the molecules or the liquid molecules will more, then vapor pressure will become less because they are tightly bind with each other and difficult to escape. That means the vapor pressure will be less. So as the vapor pressure is less, so evaporation is, or we can say that the rate of evaporation will be slower also. So, if we see the order, then C has C has more intermolecular forces than B than A. That means if we find out the order of vapor pressure, then it will be exactly opposite of the intermolecular force because they are opposite to each other. So it will become C, then B, then A, and more vapor pressure, the rate of evaporation is also more. That means A will easily evaporate than B and B will easily evaporate than C. That means if you see the option, then first option is B evaporate more readily than A. It is incorrect because A will be more evaporator. A evaporates more readily than B. That means it is incorrect. B evaporate more readily than C. B evaporate more readily than C. It is correct. A evaporate more readily than C. It is also correct because A also evaporate more readily than C. Then all evaporate at same rate at the same temperature. It is incorrect because according to the order of vapor pressure, all does not evaporate at the same rate at the same temperature. So option B and C are the correct answer. If you write the correct statement, then it is option B and C. So B evaporates more readily than C and A evaporates more readily than C. So B and C are the correct option. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.